Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And for people that are tuning in for the first time, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a small project. We're going to be debadging the 350 because this thing looks slanted to me. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but the entire emblem is not straight. It's like not aligned correctly. So we're going to be removing this and actually putting on a different one, which I'll show you in a bit. So this is very simple to take off. It's you need three things technically. You need a fishing line, a heat gun, and glue gun, or something that will remove the stickiness of these emblems in the back. So glue gun would be a perfect application for this, and some microfiber cloth. So I'm going to use a hair dryer because I think this should suffice. I do have glue gun, and instead of a fishing line, because I don't go fishing, and if I would buy it, it would just be for one thing. So I'm going to try this dental floss I have, and I think that should do the job. So the sun is beaming, so that will definitely warm this up, but I'm going to get a hair dryer plugged in to an outlet and tackle this emblem detachment from the back of this car. Yep, so plugged in my hair dryer, turn it on. Alright, so I've been applying the hair dryer for about 2 minutes. Take a little bit of dental floss like this. They say fishing line, but I ain't gonna go out there looking for a fishing line. Take that and get to the edge of it and just start. And it comes off like butter. Hopefully. Broke. But this should come out. There you go. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. And the Z is off. Ugh. So this is the residue that is left, which we're gonna have to remove with some adhesive. Yeah, it should come off. I ain't worried about that. But yeah, I'm gonna apply the same thing over here. The hair dryer first, and then start taking it off. Just like that, it is debadged. So yeah, the residue still has the 350Z emblem there, so I'm going to use some glue gun and just take this out and get it nice and clean, and then apply the new badge. But yeah, this didn't even take me that long. Like, I didn't even have to use the hair dryer so much. The floss worked perfectly. I had to use a couple of strings because it started to like snap off in between. But it didn't take too much of heat application. It just like came right off, and it honestly looks like somebody put this back on, because as you can see, this thing is tilted. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but it's definitely not straight. So, and I got a nice replacement for it, so stay tuned. Alright, so I got some glue gun right here. And they say apply it for like 6 to 7 minutes. It's gonna get really dirty, but it's gonna soak the heck out of it. Once you got it soaked, just let it sit for a little bit, and then I have a decal remover, so I'm actually going to use that. I'll show you what that looks like. It comes very handy when you want to take off a sticker, because some people get carried away with badging their car with stickers and stuff. So yeah, it comes in clutch in these time of applications, and it looks like once it's soaked it should just come right off. You won't even see the remnants of this emblem here. Yeah, so you soak it, let it sit for a few minutes, and watch the Goo Gone do its magic. And yeah, use a microfiber cloth because it's gonna trickle down and, you know, make this thing all shiny and stuff from all the lemon and oil. This is citrus power, so yeah, it's very strong and it removes it real quickly. It has been a couple of minutes. I got this decal remover, so they come with like extra replacements for these plastic blades. You pop them on, bada bing, and devag away. Alright guys, so as you can see, it took a little bit of applying Goo Gone, and I finally got it off, but you still see like the shade of the emblem, because I guess, you know, like the underneath the emblem, this is the original color, and it being exposed to outside weather, it's made a different shade of it. So, but you know, I think this is the best as Goo Gone can do. What I'll do is I'll try to wash it, and hopefully I can get that off, but it's going to be replaced by another emblem, so you can't even see it. So once I got that off, I started to think, you know, what I can do with this the emblem that I just took off. So check this out. Yep, I painted it red, and you know, I was just thinking of ideas because I don't have anything that I can do with that emblem. It's good as trash for me now. So I was like, you know what, let me try to paint this a color, and I had so many different ideas of colors, but I settled on red because a lot of trims, their sporty versions always have the emblem in red, and I feel like it would be a perfect touch to it. So that's how it would look. I can test fit it further with some like painter's tape, but I think that will look hot, because the emblem that I'm going to replace with it, this is what I'm thinking about doing, is painting the Z red. So you know what, so I painted it red and I let it sit for a little bit so the paint can like settle and prime up, and I'm probably going to do another coating, and just to kind of finalize it. But this is just a test piece, so I'll probably put this somewhere in the car. Alright guys, so I said I was going to wash this car, but I haven't got the chance and I've been so busy, so I'm just going to send it. I've cleaned it enough where, you know, there's no residue from the other emblem. So now I'm just trying to adjust it, where kind of test fit it to see how it looks. I was thinking this is all one piece, where I can just kind of pull the 3M from behind it and just kind of lay it out, but this is like letter by letter, so it's gonna take a little bit of precision to get it straight, and I think this one's quite straight. That's why I made like a bracket to make sure that, you know, that's my kind of pointer to work with, where I can lay out the letters that way. So wish me luck. Let's see how this turns out. Alright, so the last piece that is left. I told y'all that the emblem that I took off, I spray painted it red, and I liked it so much where I did it actually to the emblem as well. So came out really nice. I primed it once, let it sit for a day, and it came out real like precise. Like it looks like it came out from Nissan itself. Check it out. Yeah, so I'm gonna add that last, but I think I nailed it, guys. This is all just lining up with the painter's tape and precision, with like eyeing it back and forth, adjusting it, going back and making it look straight as possible. And I think I nailed it, guys. So the last part to add, and I think this will look so beautiful. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Honestly, it came out so nice just without using any type of tools or any type of thing that tells you if it's straight or not. This is just like all eye work, and I think I nailed it. This is the cherry on top. It looks so pretty like that. This is how Nissan should make its emblems. I'm giving you hints, Nissan. Look at that, man. It came out so nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I had to take it out for a drive, you know what I'm saying? But leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, help me grow this channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be safe. Peace.